Keshto Mukherjee, the iconic comic actor of Indian cinema. Keshto Mukherjee, born on August 7, 1925, and passing away on March 3, 1982, is remembered as one of Indian cinema's most beloved comic actors. With his impeccable comic timing, unique style, and memorable portrayal of the inebriated yet lovable character, Mukherjee carved a niche for himself in the Indian film industry. His contributions to comedy in Indian cinema remain unparalleled, making him an enduring figure in the hearts of audiences. Early life and background, birth and family. Keshto Mukherjee was born in Kolkata, then Calcutta, West Bengal. He hailed from a modest background, and his early life was marked by the typical struggles of a family living in a bustling city. Initial forays into acting. Mukherjee's interest in acting developed early. He started his journey in theatre, where he honed his skills and developed a keen sense of comic timing. His work in theatre laid the foundation for his future success in films. Film career. Entry into cinema. Keshto Mukherjee made his film debut in the late 1950s. His unique style and natural flair for comedy quickly caught the attention of filmmakers. He often played the role of a drunkard, a character that became his trademark. Breakthrough roles. Mukherjee's breakthrough came with films like Milan, 1967, and Padosan, 1968. In Padosan, his portrayal of the inebriated sidekick was highly appreciated and established him as a prominent comic actor. Collaboration with renowned directors. Keshto Mukherjee worked with some of the most esteemed directors in Indian cinema, including Hrishikesh Mukherjee, Basu Chatterjee, and Gulzar. His roles in Hrishikesh Mukherjee's Chupke Chupke, 1975, and Golmaal, 1979, are particularly memorable. Signature style. Mukherjee's signature style involved playing the role of a drunkard, which he portrayed with remarkable authenticity and humor. His ability to blend comedy with a touch of pathos made his performances relatable and endearing to audiences. Notable films and performances. Chupke Chupke, 1975. In this classic comedy, Keshto Mukherjee played the role of James DaCosta, a character who adds to the film's humor with his drunken antics and comic expressions. His performance remains one of the highlights of the film. Golmaal, 1979. Playing the role of Munimji, Keshto Mukherjee's comic timing and interactions with other characters added a significant humorous element to this Hrishikesh Mukherjee directed film. Sholay, 1975. Although his role in Sholay was brief, Mukherjee's portrayal of Hariram, the jailer's drunk assistant, left a lasting impression on the audience. His comic scenes contributed to the lighter moments in the film. Rajnigandha, 1974. In this Basu Chatterjee directed film, Mukherjee played a small but impactful role, showcasing his versatility and ability to contribute to both comedy and drama. Legacy and impact. Influence on comedy. Keshto Mukherjee's unique portrayal of drunkard characters became a template for future comic roles in Indian cinema. His style and expressions have influenced many comic actors who followed in his footsteps. Cultural icon. Mukherjee's characters have become iconic in Indian popular culture. His dialogues, mannerisms, and comic scenes are often quoted and reenacted, reflecting his enduring impact on audiences. Awards and recognition. While Keshto Mukherjee may not have received many formal awards, his contribution to Indian cinema is widely recognized and celebrated. His performances have earned him a special place in the hearts of moviegoers. Personal life, family and personal struggles. Despite his on-screen success, Mukherjee faced personal challenges and struggled with alcoholism, a condition he often depicted in his roles. His ability to transform his personal struggles into memorable performances is a testament to his talent and dedication. Humanitarian efforts. Keshto Mukherjee was known for his humility and generosity. He often contributed to charitable causes and supported fellow artists in need, reflecting his compassionate nature. Keshto Mukherjee remains one of Indian cinema's most cherished comic actors. His unique style, impeccable timing, and memorable roles have left an indelible mark on the industry. Mukherjee's ability to evoke laughter while portraying the everyday struggles of his characters made him a beloved figure. His legacy continues to inspire and entertain, ensuring that his contributions to Indian cinema are remembered and celebrated for generations to come.